So we got loaded with 8 yards. That's almost a full load. Usually a full load is 10. And I think we're doing a foundation. I can see the pump from the road, but I'm not 100% sure that's where I'm going. Looks like it though. Yeah, that'll be it. Talking to the pump driver, sometimes we don't even know, he doesn't know what company is going to come out with the concrete, and I don't know if that's the right job site or what. So it does happen occasionally that the contractors will snag up the wrong truck. Or the truck will start pouring with the wrong contractors, however you want to look at it. But occasionally, yeah, the wrong concrete ends up at the wrong spot. So we try to talk to each other, how many yards you bring in, what sort of mix, big rocks, little rocks. Look at your paperwork, because a lot of times the contractors will give you an address just to get you in the neighborhood. They'll give you an address that they know shows up on the maps. There's a lot of addresses, especially the new ones, they don't show up. So they'll give you an address that they know will show up on the GPS, and then knowing that that's not the actual job site. So sometimes it's kind of confusing. Be kind of a tight spot. nothing crazy washing down. It's just rinsing out, rinsing off the concrete from whatever job you just did. And with a pump, it's really easy because there's no chute extensions. It's just the little flap chute. Rinse down the drum real quick. And that'll be it. And then we'll head back and grab another load. So it's still early in the day. Update my little tablet to let them know I'm washing. I don't need that.